Okay, we need to solve this absolute value inequality. So remember, with an absolute value, we're talking distance from 0. So if we're asking what's the absolute value of, or what numbers would satisfy this equation, absolute value of x equals 5, we're asking which numbers are a distance of 5 from 0. So that would be 5 and negative 5. So remember that as we do this problem. So anytime you're solving an absolute value problem, the first thing you want to do is isolate the absolute value. So we're going to treat that whole absolute value as x. So might be tempting to add the 5 first, but the 5 is multiplied by the x, so we're actually going to subtract the 22 first. Okay, so those cancel. Have negative 5 times the absolute value of x equals a negative 15. Okay, now I'm going to divide by negative 5. I want to keep isolating that absolute value. And so now I have the absolute value of x equals a positive 3. So now it's at this point we kind of think back to our line. We're asking which numbers will satisfy this. Basically, which numbers are a distance of 3 from 0. So we can say, well, we know x will equal 3 and x will equal a negative 3. Those are both 3 from 0, and so those are both going to be the solutions. Anytime you're doing absolute value, keep that idea in mind, that absolute value is distance from 0.